When we say paracord, it is synonymous to survival. And as a woman, to survive means to be beautiful. Yay! Hello mga kabangbang! It's a bright new day and happy birthday to me! Kamusta kayo dyang lahat? And thank you so much for joining me in my life. Medyo haggard tayo ngayon. Kitang-kita ba yung ating pagluluto kanina? For those who have watched my cooking with Mama Tony, please do like gid sang amon nga video. And of course, support me in my Facebook page as well as subscribe here in my YouTube channel. And diba, as we grow older, minsan hindi na tayo nakaka-receive ng gifts. And I'm really thankful kasi yung isa nating kaibigan and at the same time, our client, client, nagbigay sa akin ng regalo and I'm so excited to open it and share with you what my gift, my soul gift, soul ba? Of course, that time and presence and bonding namin ng kaibigan ko si Mama Tony and si Mega Frau was already worth thousands of gifts. And of course, the support of my nanay, my sisters, who have been very loving to me in my 30 years of existence is already enough as a present in my 30th birthday. Pero iba pa din kung may nare-receive ka na material gift, diba? And thank you, Knotting Matters Paracord and Outdoors, for giving me this precious gift. There you go. I'm a real Sika praiser and we always go outdoors. Minsan, pumakit kami ng bundok, nagte-travel kami, and this is very important gid sa amon and helpful, especially knock on wood. Sana yung wood natin, knock on wood, wala naman sanang mangyaring masama sa atin, but when we are outdoors, no, in case of emergencies, meron tayong magagamit to help us survive. Especially man sa aton yung mga kabangbang there who wants or also hikers, campers, mahilig mag-go and travel, no? This is one thing that you should have in your survival kit. And I'm so excited na gani. Kapala malhas na ako. Ang ako niya makeup na kasi naglatab-latab na kita. Na-excited ako ngayon open this. And this is handmade with love from Knotting Matters Paracord and Outdoors. Especially for you, mga kabangbang. You could have this PM nyo lang kinang nga Facebook page. They also do ship nationwide. So if we have here kabangbangs outside Iloilo City, you could just message them and have your paracord survival bracelet, survival fashionable items shipped to your houses around the Philippines, even international. So ano, buksan na natin? Mga kabangbang, hindi ko gusto pag-destroy yung sticker, but as they say, pag binigyan ka ng regalo, dapat sirain natin yung packaging. Kaya, thank you! Okay, here we go. Oh, we have here. Oh, this is so cute. The ninja. And of course, I got it pink. My color. We also have here another keychain. Oh, this is a ball. And a bracelet. Yeah, I got a bracelet. And additional, what's this? A sticker. Yay! As you have known, mga kabangbang, diba? We are a food vlogger here, a mukbanger. Hindi po ito edible, hindi po ito kinakain. But when you go on camping, for example, you want to hunt for food, pwede nyo po itong gamitin yung bracelet. How? Eto po, hindi ko siya gusto pag i-destroy. But when you say paracord, this is very sturdy and you could use these strings as pangtali. Grabe, gulpi lang ng Tagalog. Pantali ng mga wood when it comes to you want to go fishing, di ba? And are, masample kita. Ha? Masample kita, we will destroy this. I'm so, hindi ko kaya, hindi ko carry. Well, okay, sige, pakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang yun Whew! Whew! See how fashionable our paracord keychains are, and in case of emergencies, pag nagka-camping kayo, you could just untie or unknot our keychains. Yes naman. So finally, na-unknot na natin yung ating keychain, and I'm wearing the bracelets we have here, paracord bracelets. So for example, you want to go on camping, and syempre habang naglalakad, mahirap namang hawakan mo yung water bottle mo at the same time maghahawak-hawak ka sa gilid ng mountain. So it's better to have a sling for our water. Now let's use this paracord keychain as our water bottle sling. Po, unang-una sa lahat, gagawa po tayo ng puso. We have here, there, Katapos, yung puso, i-overlap natin. And another overlap para mas mahigpit na yakap. Then, we have here, undercovered. Everything is undercovered. Doing good, doing well. Then we got a switch here going down, and another switch here going down. Tada! We're done! Then lagay na natin yung ating water bottle para hindi tayo makuhaw on our hike. There you go. Just tie it up. Tighten up, tighten up. And we got na our sling for our water bottle. Yes, mga kabang-bang, so we have now here our water bottle sling, and we could actually use our ninja keychain to hang it with our sling and place it in our bag. Then we're good to go on camping, going to the mountains. And thank you, Knotting Matters Paracord and Outdoors, for having and of course, syempre, no, for giving me this wonderful gift on my birthday. And for you guys, para hindi na kayo mahirapan kung paano ba dadalhin yung tubig anywhere when you go to the mall, no? Very important yun to hydrate ourselves, and this is the best drink that you could ever have in your life. Drink water. 2 liters of water in a day to be healthy. Diba? There you go, mga kabangma. Thank you so much. Follow Paracord, no? In Facebook page. Doon kayo pwedeng mag-order ng ating mga keychain. And of course, our wonderful bracelet there. Thank you so much. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And follow me on Facebook for more infos, for more product na mayu-use talaga natin, magagamit natin every day. And of course, mga wonderful kag mga namit-namit nga mga results diri sa Iloilo, I gotta show you around once everything's okay, when pandemic is over, when I am doing well na get physically, no? And thank you so much for staying with me in throughout this video. I hope you have learned something, and ayun, bili na kayo ng inyong paracord bracelet. Bye everyone!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pinduta ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!